Welcome to Donna Cooking. In this week's video, we're in the middle of a crazy snowstorm. We've gotten a couple feet of snow here in Alaska, so I thought it would be great to make a comforting meal, and you guys can learn how to make red beans and rice. It's got a plant-based topping option or a meat-based option. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. It's very economical and easy to make, so come along with me in this week's video and let's just get started. We're actually snowed in here in Alaska. The schools are closed, as you might have seen, and I'm going to be making some red beans and rice. Very cheap, so I'm going to soak the beans the quick method. Let me show you how. I rinsed and drained the beans, dumped them in the pot, covered them with water by a few inches, and then have the heat on. Gonna bring it to a boil and then let it sit for 1 hour. This is the quick soak method. With the red beans and rice, you can have toppings that people can choose from. You can have the turkey kielbasa sausage, or I'm marinating some tempeh in a smoky marinade. So either plant-based people or people who enjoy their meat will like either one of these. People complain that tempeh is bitter, but one way you can do it is to either steam or let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and then it easily absorbs your marinade also. I made a smoky marinade and added the steamed tempeh, and I'll put that recipe up on the screen. So I'll just put that in the fridge and let it marinate and then turn it every once in a while. Now I've chopped up some peppers and onions, garlic, and celery. I'm going to saute it up in some olive oil, and then I'm going to take some of them out so I can have the red beans chunky later and then cook the rest with the red beans. And so let's get this started. Took out some of the veggies now and going to add in the beans, some bay leaves, and some veggie broth. Okay, the red beans are just about done, and I got the rice cooking. So now I'm going to fry up the tempeh really quickly and then go ahead and do the sausage too. Red beans are just about done, so now I'm going to go ahead and fry up the tempeh really quick. It's nice and smoky. Okay, looks like everything is done. Just opening up the rice and testing it. Yep, looks really good.